I am fucked. Oh shit, it doesn't work. Oh my. Bro. Y'all seeing this? Is this ghetto or what? Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're starting the video out inside the GR86 because we're doing a little bit of interior mod. You know, last year we focused a lot on the exterior stuff, but this year I want to make the interior, you know, a little bit better, a little spicier. I see this thing every day. I hop in my car, I touch literally everything in here, so you know, I might as well just make it, you know, make a little, what do you call it? Make it a little more appealing to myself. You know, it'll make me want to drive the car more, even though I drive this thing way too much in my opinion. But we got some goodies from Billetworkz. Go ahead, throw that on real quick as soon as I find out how to set you guys down. Alright, this is probably gonna be the best way I can set you guys up. Pull this off. Today we're gonna be changing out this boot, this shift boot, with something spicy. Shout out to Billetworkz. Yes, sir. We got the Alcantara Red. Picked this up. I actually picked this up during their Black Friday sale. Here it is. Alcantara in red. Maybe it looks spicy. Thought about picking up a shift knob as well, but decided not to. I end up picking up something else that you guys might be that should be coming in a couple weeks. I got it pre-ordered. I got it during their low pre-order period. So pre-order just ended last week, and production should be starting anytime now. And yeah, hopefully you guys will like the shift knob because I do. It looks pretty sick, pretty baller. I mean, you know, I love this Blitz shift knob. Got that thing in Japan, but this is a little on the lighter side. The one I picked up recently is actually a little heavier. So now we have a choice of going heavy or light, depending on how we feel. Maybe I'll use a heavy one at the track so I get buttery smooth shifts. But I do like the notchiness of a light shift knob. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start off by removing this little cover right here. Removing two little Phillips screws. Got a magnet right here. Boom. Boom. Next off, I want to start prying up this. Take this out. Low-key, I think we should have taken this out first. There we go. So I'm removing this e-brake boot just so I can get to this easier. There we go. Now this thing should just come right out. Oh, there we go. Easy peasy. Maybe I should watch video before I break any of these. Look, Billetworkz even have a video posted up. I watched.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing.
Oh yeah, so we just pull it out. Oh shit! I knocked you guys over. I told you the setup is not it, bro. But this is what we gotta deal with. Oh my, now there we go. Okay, now we got the boot up. Let's see, we can take it out without removing the shift knob. Ah, hell no. Remove your shift knob. Boom. There we go. Shift boot's out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Come right out. Now this should come right out. Boom. Just like that. And I'll just go around and take the OEM boot off. Boom. And now we just leave it off and we run the CAA short shifter. CAE short shifter. Boom. Wait, am I doing this right? Hold up, man. What the heck? I don't remember how this goes. All right, YouTube again. Okay, we are doing it right. Come on, man. Don't ever doubt yourself. Oh, I look so ugly, bro. Did we do it right? I'm pretty sure we did. Oh, see, I fucking knew it. We did it upside down. I mean, we did it inside out, bro. What the fuck? What the hell we doing, bro? Oh my. See, always something, bro. Always something. Always something. See, now you do it like this. Flip it around. Boom. There we go. Boom. There we go. Then now this goes on here. Boom. There we go. Oh my god, this thing's so dusty. Boom. Dang, that shit looks good, bro. Holy. Door shift knob back on. Oh shit. Shit, not so slippery. Damn. Look at that. Shit. And I want to wrap this. Should we keep this off right now so I can wrap this silver part? I want to wrap it, I don't know, like a black, some kind of black or like a carbon. But dang, that thing looks sick. This, I don't like this black. I don't like this shift knob with this color combo, but we'll see what happens when the new one comes in, the new shift knob. I'm excited for it. I'm excited. When it comes in, I'll let you guys know, bro. Maybe it'll be in this video. Maybe I'll just wait before posting this video so you guys can see everything in one video. Check out the blue car. Sheesh. You guys fuck with the Dynasty white stripe at the bottom? Or is that too tacky? I asked my mom. She said she likes it. So, you know, we're keeping it for now. But yeah, I'll update you guys as soon as that wrap comes in. Maybe tomorrow because, you know, Amazon works on holiday, bro. And right now, it's the day after. Oh, it's not even the day after Christmas. It's Christmas, bro. Hey, Merry Christmas if you guys celebrate.
Over 1 month later.
Alright, guys. Welcome back to the inside of my car. For you guys, this probably took like 5 seconds. But as you can see, I'm in a change of clothes. I want you guys to take a second, go down to the comments and let me know how long you think it's been since the last clip, bro. Shout out to Key Coffee House. I got their corn matcha latte. It has been over 2 months since the last clip, bro. Because after I installed this Billetworkz shift boot, the car got into an accident. So it's been at the shop over at SSR Auto Body for 2 months, bro. But we got the car back now. Let's continue to give this interior a little upgrade that it needs. After taking care of the shifter boot, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the handbrake. This one should be pretty easy. All you gotta do, lift up from the back here. Boom. Pull up on this. Boom. See? Now, all you gotta do, pull straight out. Bam. Easy. Now let's go over to the workbench. Take off this OEM adhesive and put on our new one. Super easy to take this off. Just grab one with the tabs and start peeling it off. Boom. Finally, get rid of this fake leather, bro. Let's open our custom one from Kyoku Collective, my boy over at Kyoku threw this together for me. I saw his work on Facebook, hit him up, and he shipped it out literally the next day. Check it. Boom. So I contemplated getting a full red one to match the shift boot, but I decided that might be too much red. So I got a black one with the red trim. Can you guys see this custom design right there? Dang, it's hard to see. But he threw on a chrome heart design right here, a custom chrome heart design. Alright, so per instruction from Billetworkz, if you do end up buying from Billetworkz, I think installation should be pretty much the same. What they recommend you do, get these binder clips. It comes with the installation kit, and you just want to clip these tabs or clip it before you apply the adhesive, so then you don't have to apply adhesive and then remove that and then remove it and then reposition it, all that extra stuff. Kind of want everything to be lined up before you add adhesive, so you don't gotta move it around later. Boom, there we go. You guys think I went a little overboard with the binder clips? Okay, so now all you gotta do, take the binder clip off, put adhesive behind it, put the binder clip back on, bro. Call it a day. Yo, look at this. Oh my. You guys see that design right there? And the Alcantara? Oh, oh, with the red stitching. Oh. Okay, let's go glue this. Alright, so I got my contact cement. I got my Q-tip. So now I gotta pull this tab back and apply some adhesive to both the trim and the Alcantara, the fabric. Go ahead, put that back on there. Boom. Put the clip back on. Boom. Now we gotta go around and do the rest. Alright, so while that is drying, I went over here and wrapped this little trim piece so it's no longer silver. Now it got this little dry carbon look. I think it will look pretty cool. So y'all remember the shift knob I told you I was getting? Well, it actually came into the mail as I was waiting for this to dry. And yo, check this out, bro. One of the, I don't know how many people to have this Narita Dogfight shift knob. Check this thing out. This shit looks baller. Forgot to mention one thing. The Dogfight shift knob is not compatible with this reverse lockout. So I have to run this adapter from Billetworkz. See, so now you have this in here. And now when you do it, see, it goes right in there. If only I knew I was gonna get this one, I would have gotten this in silver. Oh shit, it doesn't work. Oh my, bro. Dude, what do I do now? I have to somehow extend this. It doesn't work. What the fuck, brother? I am fucked. So, end up putting the Blitz shift knob back on. High key kind of bummed I couldn't use the Dogfight shift knob, but I did take it out for a drive just to test out what it felt like, and damn, it does not feel good at all, bro. It felt good when I was testing it out in Johnny's car, which is a BBWRX, and he has a short shifter in there, and I think that's why it felt good in there. When I tried on this one, man, my shift got way slower. I couldn't feel the gears as I'm going into them. It just felt too heavy for the setup that I have currently. So it's all good, man. It's all good because I got something coming in the mail, because my girlfriend bought me a shift knob for my birthday, It was supposed to be a surprise, but she ruined the surprise, man. Nah, just kidding. She didn't ruin the surprise. So we do have a Billetworkz shift knob coming in that we're gonna swap this out with, and the Dogfight will be going to Johnny. So hey, maybe I'll buy it back from him, or maybe yeah, I'll buy it back from him when I end up getting a shift knob myself. And I don't like how I have the OEM reverse lockout with that aluminum shift knob. I didn't like the look. I think this looks way better. But anyways, if you're probably wondering why I have a marker with me, paint marker. Well, that's because, check this out, Bo. You see how the new boot is red stitching? All of a sudden, white. So we're gonna go and do this TikTok hack where you go through and you paint the stitching with a paint marker. Yeah, so this is either gonna be really shitty or really good, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be the latter. But who cares, man? If anything, I just swap this out. So let's get to it. Wish me luck. Y'all seeing this? Is this ghetto or what? The final result, what'd you guys think? Hey, not too shabby, bro. Not too shabby. Look at that. Come on, focus now. Focus. Oh, shit. Not too shabby. Oh, yeah, my light died, so bear with me. Oh, my. Hey, TikTok W or what? Oh, shit.